Hello everyone, I'm back with another video, and in today's video we have a Lenovo laptop. This is a Lenovo ThinkPad T470s. And in this video I'm going to take you on a step-by-step how you can open it up and how you can add, remove, and upgrade the battery for your laptop. If yours is not holding up any more charge, or the version that you have has only one battery, you can add up to 2 batteries in this laptop. Or if yours is not holding charge, it's just discharging really quickly, again, you can follow this video to replace your battery. Just remember, I get lots of questions asked like, can I use the laptop without the battery? Sure, you can. The laptop can work with fine and even last longer because the charger will not overheat and the components on the motherboard will not be used that much for charging the batteries. So it will work without the battery fine, perfectly, with no issues, and it will not risk any performance. Just by removing the battery and replacing the battery, you're not going to change anything in the system. Everything is going to be left the way you had it before. And I'll give you a tip how to use your first battery, first time use, so you can keep the health of the battery at its best peak performance possible. All right, with all that said, let's go ahead and check inside. So first thing first, power it off, flip it upside down, and we're going to go over the tools I'll be using. I highly recommend everybody should have one of the iFixit screwdriver set in the house. I purchased myself this basic tool set. You can get the pro set that will include you with an opening tool, tweezers, and stuff like that. But I rather have the basic tool set. We're gonna use a Phillips #1 from this tool set. All right, and after that, down here we're gonna see a whole bunch of screws, 2 screws on the side, 1 on each corner, and 1 right back in the middle. We're not gonna touch this one right here. All right. The screws in here, they have something called a C-lock. The C-lock will prevent the screw coming out entirely, but it has another purpose. It will separate the bottom casing from the covers. So as soon as you start rotating this screw, you're going to see the cover getting pushed away from the palm rest, that gap right there. See? And once it's loosened up, just let it go. You don't have to pull the screw out. Same thing in the back, and you're going to see how it's going to push the cover away from each other right there. You want to do this for all the screws. Also, if you guys like my videos, if you find my videos helpful and helping you guys out, you can support the channel by clicking that like and subscribe. I'll greatly appreciate it. It helps and motivates me to make more videos, take requests, and answer questions in the comment areas. All right, once you remove all the screws, you're going to grab it from the back corner. You want to lift it up from the back corner 45 degrees and then pull it out. As the tiny clips, hooks goes on the front end of the laptop. That's why there's no screws in here. All right, once we remove the bottom cover, right away here, we can see there's 2 Lenovo batteries, one on the back and one in the front. You might have a different versions that you have a big, huge dummy plastic in here or dummy plastic on the back. You can remove it and put a new batteries in there. We call them fillers or dummy batteries. The battery in the front end has 3 screws, 1, 2, 3. So go ahead and remove these 3 screws. The screws are the same size and height, so don't worry about mix matching them. All right. Once you remove that, there's a little Kapton tape in here. You want to lift it up and pull it out from this corner upward. And there's a hooks on the back end. There's one on each corner. You want to bring it up like this in 45 and pull it out so you don't damage these hooks right in here. So the main battery in here is an 11.4 volt. The model for this one, it's a SB10F46461. That's the battery model for this one. Now, to remove the back one, there's 2 screws to holding it together. So remove 2 screws on the back. The screws are the same as the other battery in the front. So remove that one too. And I can see this back battery is like a little inflated. So I'm going to grab it from the same plastic, pull it up, pull it towards yourself so you release the hooks. You can see it's kind of nice and bulgy in here. There's the gases exploding inside. This one, the front one, it is kind of flat, but this one is really bad. The model for this one, it is different. It's an SB10J79003. So this is the same, again, 11.6 volt, 46 volt. So this is 27 watt, and this one, it is a 24 watt. So there's a 27, 24 watt will give you a little 30 watt hour battery. So there you have it. Once you remove the batteries, and the CMOS battery is right over here. To disconnect the CMOS battery, you just want to pull this jack backward and replace it. This is a simple 2032 battery, watch battery with a cable pulled out to the jack. So this is for your BIOS. If your BIOS has a password and you want to reset, you think by removing this, it will not reset the password. It will reset the configuration on the BIOS, but not the password. All right. To put the new batteries on the back, you want to put the corner side first in 45-degree under the palm rest. You want to bring it down, align the connectors, and then push it down and put the 2 screws on the back end. All right. And for the front one, same thing. You want to put the back end under the palm rest and then bring it down and then push down the connector and then put the 3 screws. Once you're done with that, all you need to do is to grab the bottom cover. You want to bring it down in 45-degree angle right in the front end and put down the front side, push down the rest, and then you want to tighten up the screws on the bottom cover. And this is how you can upgrade or remove or add the batteries for your Lenovo ThinkPad T470s model. Now, regarding the new batteries, once you have the new battery installed on your laptop, you do not want to power on the laptop at all. You want to leave it off. You want to plug in the charger and you want to let it sit there charging for 3 to 4 hours. After 3 to 4 hours, you want to power on the laptop without the charger plugged in. You want to bring down the brightness of the screen down to 30-20% and let it sit there and discharging itself down to whatever your Windows limit is. Once it's discharged, you want to power it off and then plug in the charger and let it sit there again for another 3 to 4 hours. And after that, you can use it as you wish, charge as you wish, because that initial charge and discharge of the battery cycle, it is very important for the new ones. And you should be doing that once every couple of months. And that should be all for today's video. Again, if you have any question or requests, feel free to leave them in a video comment. I'll try to answer them as soon as I can. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.